Welcome back. We have today a contactor made by Hyundai. It's HGC800, the model. It's a 3-phase contactor for generators. What we have here is a contactor that has its controller need to be repaired or replaced. But what I'm gonna do is I'll make a replacement circuit that will be a new controller for it. Let's get started. Okay, we got a problem with the circuit. This is the original circuit of it, and it's been damaged. It's not working anymore. So what I'm gonna do is make a replacement, and this is what I've done already. You can see it here. This is the new circuit with the coil. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna test it right now and see if it's working like normal or not. Let's go. What I'm gonna do here is I make connections for the power supply. Let's get ready with it. So we are ready now, and let's push it inside. Sure. Okay, now we are ready to test it, and you will see here how this will get pushed in when I apply power. Let's try it now. We see it's holding very good. It's working right. Now I'll unplug it and see it will break the circuit. One more time. Then unplug it so we can see it's working very good.